Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cat Kings NMAT Daily Series. This is Anisha here, your guide and mentor for NMAT. And today I'm talking to a lot of questions which a lot of students have been facing. I've been getting so many questions of late कि मैम mocks में scores नहीं आ रहे हैं. What to do next? I'm demotivated. I'm getting somewhere around a 200 or a 190 or a 210 for that matter in NMAT mock tests. Should I reschedule my NMAT exam? Yeah, what should I do for the next 15 to 20 days so that I can, master my NMAT and crack it? Because this year, first attempt is the most important attempt for us because that is the deciding factor, right? NMIMS is going to accept only the first attempt. So all of you guys who are getting demotivated with your mock scores, this video is for all of you guys. Please watch right till the end, okay? I have had students last year who were able to in 15 days pull up their scores by 40 plus scores just by making sure they stay glued, they stay motivated, and they are studying with full throttle focus onto it. All right. So I want all of you guys to make sure sit back and analyze the mock, and not just one mock. Pick up last 3 mocks that you have given, list down all the topics where you are consistently going wrong, because those are areas which we are making blunders, which can be silly mistakes, which we are not realizing what is going wrong, and then we will be able to rectify that. Okay. Secondly, make a list of topics where you're going correct but you're wasting time. एक क्वेश्चन 5 मिनट लगा के करेक्ट करना से तो अच्छा है कि मैं उसको गेस वर्क करके कहीं और चले जाऊँ और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जाऊँ, राइट? बिकॉज एनमैट में इफ़ यू डोंट अटेम्प्ट ऑल क्वेश्चंस वी हैव पेनल्टी. अब नेगेटिव मार्क्स क्यों चाहिए आपको, राइट? सो डू नॉट गेट इन टू दैट पेनल्टी स्पेस. ऑल राइट. सो फॉर दैट, two things which you are doing like we just discussed. One, list of topics where you're going wrong. Second, list of topics where you are wasting time. Okay, so that we can save our time. Once you have these topics ready with you, bucket them into topics कि ये सब quants के हैं, ये सब verbal के हैं, ये सब arithmetic के हैं, या ये सब LR के हैं, all of these things. Okay. Some of the most common areas where people mess up or screw up is: one, data interpretation; second, PNC and probability based questions; third, critical reasoning in logical reasoning section; and fourth is analogy questions in verbal section, right? And sometimes RCs may, because you had a lack of time which is there, so that you lost out on your time management skills, right? So now these are 5 areas where you get to make mistakes and you end up doing a lot of issues. So what I want you all to do is, for the next 10 days, okay, note down the date, it's 30th September today. Next 10 days you will not give any mock. No mocks to be given for 10 days, okay? In the 10 days you are going to revise your basics of all the subjects. Okay, start studying with full throttle rigor. 3 hours of self study preparation I want every day. 1 hour you're studying quants, 1 hour you're studying verbal, 1 hour you're studying logical reasoning. Okay, what you're going to do in this is, in 1 hour of quants of every day, you are going to pick up one topic and finish it up. Like for example, if I picked up PNC today, solve all the LOD1 question books of it. If you have even solved it before, do it again. Revise your entire basics right now. I don't want advanced level. I don't want to see new questions. I have to strengthen myself. So, the exam is all about how confidently you sit to give the exam. Many a times you realize that after giving the mock, shit yaar, ye to mujhe aata tha. I could have done this. I should have done it here. I should have saved time. I could have finished this question, right? So what I want you all to do is build your inner confidence. Any exam is about your time management, especially NMAT is time management and how calm you are on the day of the exam. So for the next 10 days, each one of you guys are only revising like this 3 hours every day. 3 into 10 is going to give you 30 hours, and 30 hours is a lot of time. Okay, 30 hours mein we will revise everything, every module, every day one topic of quants. LR ka every day you're doing 2 sets of input output puzzles, 2 sets of logical reasoning puzzles, like your analytical reasoning or your linear arrangement, circular arrangement, plus 30 questions of critical reasoning. 30 questions for sure of critical reasoning every day. Because once you get a knack of that thought process, that channelized thinking for critical reasoning is not tough. Okay, a lot of people mess up because answers are very close. Just go by one simple rule for critical reasoning. Come what may, whatever is given in the question, that's all you know. That is the only information you have. Anything beyond that, no assumptions to be done. Anything which is not directly related to the question asked is out of context. Like sit with that blindfold. Okay, that funda works very well. Just make sure you're rigid with yourself on the same. Okay, so that is what you have to keep in mind. Okay, that was for my logical reasoning. Verbal ka every day solve reading comprehension passages, two passages. Along with that, do a little bit of vocab building, start reading, and also solve two DI sets. I forgot to mention that for quants and DI section. Two DI sets also do every day. Okay, this much of preparation for the next 10 days. Finish it up. After that 10 days ke baad, you will sit one day and you will give sectional tests. Okay, so you're going to give only sectional tests, not full length mock. Sectional tests, each of the sections alag alag se do. Give the sectional test, we'll analyze it. Give a separate, then give verbal ka sectional test, analyze it. Give LR sectional test, so that you are breaking your own self to sit confidently for shorter duration of exams. Not for the 2 hours exam, but for sectional tests. Okay? One day, give sectional tests. Next day, analyze it. See there's some improvement or not. What were the stupid silly mistakes which you did, so that we can avoid those mistakes. After that, you start giving mock tests every alternate day. Okay, full mocks now, and give the mocks now at the same time slot which your NMAT exam is, because you have booked your date, you already know your date, you know the time also, right? So whether it's 9 a.m., whether it's 2 p.m., whether it's 5 p.m., or you've taken it at home to give it at midnight, start training your mind to function at its best and be the fastest at the exam time slot. Okay, so give mocks at the same time and keep analyzing it, keep dissecting it. Where can we enhance, where can we make, what can we do to solve your mistakes, and then go back and revise those things. Okay, for people who do not have access to mocks or do not have access to where should I study all of these things from, then please go to Cat King's NMAT course. Take the NMAT mocks. There are 15 NMAT mocks. They're going to be having adaptive plus non-adaptive mocks, sectional tests, plus you have these official guide recorded videos to explain and understand all the types of questions, all done by NMAT toppers, people who are from NMIMS themselves. These are shortcuts for logical reasoning and verbal section to enhance your scores. Make sure how to, how to make our speed reading better, how to approach analogy based questions better, how to approach deduction based questions better. Check out all of these videos. That this is, complete logical reasoning, complete verbal section. Figure these out, what has to be done in reading comprehension, para jumbles, all of these things, so that I can enhance my speed and make it much better than the rest of the sections. Okay, once you are done with all of these things, keep giving more mock tests. Here you have 30 sectional tests, all as per the NMAT 2020 pattern, the adaptive pattern, same time management, 30 sectional tests, 15 full length mocks. If you give this, or even if you give 50% of this before your NMAT attempt, you are bound to score well. So please make sure you guys are studying and working hard, and get on board to the NMAT Turbo course today itself. Along with that, I'm going to be there, your guide and mentor, motivating you, giving you more strategies, tips and techniques every Saturday 9 to 10 p.m. Plus, we'll have a couple of more NMAT toppers meeting you guys. You guys met Rituja yesterday online. She gave you guys NMAT strategy to get a 265 score. I'll make sure you guys meet more people like this who got it in the first attempt, a 270 plus score itself, so that you guys are also motivated. If they can crack, so can all of you guys. In fact, I was just browsing through my messages and I came across one of the students who had messaged, I'll show you guys in class next time, was he had a 60% in graduation and is a year drop, but still was able to convert NMIMS only because of staying motivated and staying positive right till the end. So even if you are not doing well in CAT, you're not doing well in other exams, come mock tests, give NMAT, because reminder, this is the only exam which is adaptive and it is completely based on your caliber. नो परसेंटाइल, नो फंडा कि दूसरे ने आपसे ज़्यादा अच्छा कर लिया, ज़्यादा मेहनत कर ली, कोई बात नहीं, आपका स्कोर आपके मेहनत पे है, आपके परफॉर्मेंस पे है, राइट? सो आई वुड recommend each and every one of you guys should give NMAT exam. If you have not yet registered for NMAT exam, please go and register right now for it. All right, bye bye, take care.